Collocations with take quiz. Take a break, take a shower, take a vacation, take care, take a rest. Instruction: choose the sentence that sounds natural in English. 10 points. 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I will do a shower before work. B. I will take a shower before work. C. I will make a shower before work. B. I will have shower before work. The answer is B. I will take a shower before work. 2. Choose the natural sentence. A. Please take careful when driving. B. Please make care when driving. C. Please do care when driving. D. Please take care when driving. The answer is D. Please take care when driving. 3. Which collocation is correct? A. Take a vacation. D. Take a travel. C. Take vacation. D. Take traveling. The answer is A. Take a vacation. 4. Choose the sentence a native speaker would say. A. Let's make a break. B. Let's do a break. C. Let's take a break. D. Let's have a break. The answer is C. Let's take a break. 5. Which sentence sounds most natural? A. You look tired. Take rest. B. You look tired. Make a rest. C. You look tired. Take a rest for a while. D. You look tired. Do a rest. The answer is C. You look tired. Take a rest for a while. 6. Fill in the blank. I worked all morning. I need to blank. A. Take break. B. Make a break. C. Take a break. D. Do a break. The answer is C. Take a break. 7. Choose the correct option. After the long flight, she decided to blank. A. Take care. B. Take a shower. C. Take a vacation. D. Take a rest. The answer is D. Take a rest. 8. Which sentence is wrong? A. I need to take a shower. B. Please take care of yourself. C. Let's take a break. D. I will take care of rest. The answer is D. I will take care of rest. 9. Choose the best answer. During summer, many people blank with their families. A. Take a rest. B. Take care. C. Take a vacation. D. Take a shower. The answer is C. Take a vacation. 10. Choose the best sentence. A. After work, he took break. B. After work, he took a break. C. After work, he made a break. D. After work, he did a break. The answer is B. After work, he took a break. Score 8 to 10. Excellent. Score 5 to 7. Keep practicing. Below 5. Watch again. Comment your score.